This 2018 NuCamp Tab is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used NuCamp is 15 feet 2 inches in length and features a wood interior, sleeps 2, water heater, smoke detector, leveling jacks, DVD player, stovetop burner, external shower, air conditioning, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, and 11 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2018 NuCamp Tab is 1,909 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.